welcome. My name is Michelle Houghton. I'm with Michelle's Beauty Room, and I am going to give you an honest review how I am feeling about mascara beauty. I have been a makeup artist for years and years and years. I have used so many high-end makeup brands that I'd say have a good background on what works, what doesn't. So I wanted to give you an honest review because I feel like so many of us come to YouTube to get a review on if we want to try a product or not. But also I find that a lot of people come in here to do a review and they try it one time, and can you really get an honest review when you've tried it one time? So I'm going to give you an honest review on my feelings when I first started using it to how I feel about it now. Because to be totally honest, I was so scared to try the makeup because as a makeup artist and for myself, I actually have very sensitive combination skin. I break out really easily. I'm going to show you my before and after picture of my skin because I can relate to any of those that have combination skin, and it's deathly scary to try a new foundation because when you have combination skin, you tend to break out with anything new. So I was super nervous, but I said, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try because the thought process behind this makeup is genius. So I was like, okay, I'm a makeup artist. I try so many different product lines. Let's give this a go. So I started off first day, totally being honest, I was like, ugh, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I put way too much on my face, and I've always used something super liquidy, lightweight, and this is a cream base foundation, and so it felt different for me, and I was like, it feels different. How do I feel about this? I don't know. I had to think about it. I had to play with it, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna figure this out. And I really dug deep in figuring out why a cream foundation. And what I found out that honestly with this cream foundation, and it's as natural as possible, she doesn't put any of those extra things or fillers that could be harmful for you. This cream foundation actually is going to improve your skin over time. And I have completely found that out for myself. So another thing, so I felt like it was heavy because I actually put too much product on my face. Okay, yeah, maybe. Come on, let's think about this. I was used to how I would put my liquid foundation and cover my entire face and cover it really good because that liquid foundation pretty much is gonna be wiped away. This is something completely different. Less is more. You don't need to apply as much foundation or highlight because you don't need that much. It's not gonna slip away. It's not gonna slide away. It's gonna stay put. So I was putting way too much foundation on when I started. Secondly, I was using another thing. I felt like, okay, maybe is this blending good enough? I'm not really sure. I was using the wrong shades for my skin. I've always been very light-skinned. I'm really that tan. Come on, let's be honest here. Not that tan, but I was using too light of colors. I didn't know that was possible for me. I really didn't. So I found out, I was like, I'm using the wrong colors. If you're using the wrong colors with anybody, it's not gonna blend well. You know, we always think, oh, we need to go really bright underneath our eyes. Yes, you can go lighter, but I was going too light with my shade and I was going too heavy. So how do you think I'm gonna feel about that? It's not gonna blend well and it's gonna feel cakey. Yeah, I needed, as a makeup artist, I was like, hello, put myself back in check. Less is more. Don't put too much on and find the right color for my skin. You know, I get the question of it feels different. Well, just imagine any of us when we are starting a new face, like a face lotion, a face wash, our skin, our face is so sensitive, anybody's, that it's going to feel a difference. Your skin on your face is different than your body skin. And when you're trying something new, it's going to feel different that first day. That's totally normal. Like with it being a cream foundation, it's actually not going to over dry your skin. Think about skin health. When you over dry your skin, it's going to be overproducing oils to basically get that nourishment that it needs because it's too dry. A lot of foundations, it wants to make your skin matte and dry, but you know what? You're going to be counteracting, you're going to be overproducing oils because it's too dry. What these cream foundations do is after, a little while, your skin starts to even out and starts to balance out, and your skin starts to become glowing, nice, healthy, not overproducing on oils. And I have noticed for myself with my combination skin, now remember that picture, that before and after, I have less breakouts, and I actually have gotten more compliments on my own skin looking so natural and soft with makeup on. Also, another thing that I think a lot of people, because we talk about mascara, it's always about the 3D foundation because it's so unique and so amazing. But on another side, we have so many other amazing things. We've got double-ended brushes, and all of the brushes in all of my years of being a makeup artist, these brushes are hands down such high quality. I get compliments anytime I go and do someone's makeup. They always are like, where did you get these brushes? Like, they're such high quality. Their eyeshadows are bigger and more pigmented than a lot of other brands. With the lip and cheek, what I love having it being a cream foundation, you can use as a lipstick, you can use it as your blush, but it stays nice all day. And we're just so much more than just the 3D foundation. So think of all of these things before you start a new makeup line, because realistically, when you're starting something new that goes on your face, it's going to take time to figure out. Your skin needs to take time to figure it out, and you need to take time to figure out how it actually works. For my honest review from where I started to where I'm now, I'm so glad that I took those 2 or 3 days, people, come on, like it didn't take me long. It's not like it was this whole month or whatever trying to figure out this makeup. I just had to figure out, okay, I'm putting too much on. I'm not using the right color. All these little things, baby steps. Once I stuck it out, I'm so grateful that I did, because it has truly made my makeup routine so much easier and so compact that when I go on vacation, I can do my entire face with one compact. As a makeup artist and having bags full of makeup, because I gotta have like my makeup so I'm looking good. And on top of everything else, it was so much, and it's so amazing to have one compact to take on vacation that I can fully have my full face and not take up so much space. So that is my honest review. I'm here as a makeup artist and a hairstylist that's been in the beauty industry for 20 years. That I come from a place of giving you knowledge and love so you can make the right decision that is for you, rather than trying to just try something for the first time and say, oh, nope, it didn't work. So that is my honest review, and if you have any questions, I'm going to post some links underneath on this video that you can fill out some forms if you have any questions for me to help you have the best skin and best makeup that can make you look as natural as possible. Fill out those forms, and I would love to help you get the best makeup for you. This isn't about me, this is for you. So I hope this helps you, and I hope this gives you an honest review of what this makeup really is.